Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are washing Phoenix. I'm going to show you guys how Phoenix gets a bath. And right now, because he's been taking some pictures for the, what do you call it? The, oh, I can't even think, the little icon. Yeah, he's a little bit like, oh my God. So anyways, I want to show you how Mr. Phoenix gets a bath. So we're in the sink. We got it rocking and rolling. So I'm going to pick him up just because I want to, warm the water up and then get the bath ready for him. And so I've got my shampoo. I've decided I'm just going to use regular shampoo. I was going to do the what do you call it? The hyperallergenic, for the aloe and the oatmeal. But you know what? I've noticed that whether he's on this or whether he's on the regular shampoo that I use for my own hair, this does not make him any less itchy. Sometimes this actually helps because he's got like a conditioner. So with that said, we're going to get started, but I want to get the water warm first before we put him in. So here we go. It's been a little bit since Phoenix got a bath, so, and then I'll show you how I blow dry him. Okay, I don't want it super hot. Gotta temper the water. Okay, all right, Mr. Phoenix, release. Okay, and just like that. And he's just like, okay. We put on a little bit more cool water. He's been so itchy lately. Like he's got like really dry skin. He keeps standing up. Put some more cool water. I don't want it super cold. I mean, it's warm outside, so it's a good day to get a bath. Now, mind you, Phoenix has been getting a bath since he was a baby. So he, is not your standard cat that probably flips out. And I've certainly had cats that have flipped out, like seriously bad. I'm sorry if the light is like super bright on me, but I'm just trying to focus on Phoenix right now so you guys can see how my baby gets a bath. But he's always very dirty, smelly. You smell like you need a bath, dude. So, usually in the process of all this, I end up getting, I think, more wetter than Phoenix does. It's crazy, but it happens. Especially when I've got him upside down. Like this, when I try to wet his tummy, which he hates and I hate to do as well. I wish I had one of those spigots that had like the sprayer like I did when I lived in the valley. Okay, so now let's lather you up. This is probably his favorite part because he gets like a massage. He's like, yeah, Mom, this feels good. All the itchies. And he just stares at me like, Mommy, you're going to kill me. You're going to kill me. You're going to kill me. He's always licking his feet. Like I probably, next time he goes to the doctor, I need to probably ask about some medicated type of a bath so that I can try to do him in those. Alright, let's get the rump. Got a dirty butt. Phoenix has a habit of like, well, he don't clean himself. I have always cleaned him up as a baby after he goes poopy. And he lays there and puts his leg up in the air. He's truly a cat that has been babied. all his life. And Phoenix will be 4 years old on April 7th. Okay. Let's get this tail. Big fluffy tail. Okay. I tell ya, I wish there was, you know what, I really want to get around him, because he's always digging up around his neck. Like here. He's always digging. And I don't know what's going on, if it's just dirt. Alright, so I'll rinse him off. Oh, God. Start with the head. God, it is true at times like this when you wish you had that spigot. And I should invest in one. I think I could probably get one at some sort of a Bed Bath & Beyond for your sink that has the hose with the spray. Oh, it makes a world of a difference. And you're not like nervous and thinking, oh my God, I'm putting my cat's head underwater. Just to get him all rinsed off. Whoops. Move your head back, honey. Okay. Phoenix is heavy. I mean, 10 pounds standing in an awkward position. He's a heavy boy. He doesn't seem like a heavy cat, but he's kind of a heavy boy. Like, whoa. Wash that ass. Yeah. Uh-oh. Got your ear wet. Hope we didn't get water in there. Need an ear infection. Okay, so let's flip him over. Oh, God, this is the hard part. This is what kills my spine. Oh. Oh, God. Just holding him like this kills me. Oh, kills my spine. Because I have to, like, support him and not flip him and not make him fall. All right, so now we're almost done, but I'll put a little bit of conditioner. Are gonna head to the bathroom. He's just like, no. Yes. All right. Now we're gonna go get you blow dried. Mwah. Be on standby. Okay, so now we're gonna get blow dried. We have the trusty blow dryer. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's on warm and put it on. Well, that was on high. So I'm gonna brush him a little bit just to prepare the coat. Yes. Good shake. Still alive, didn't die. Didn't drown you. Look like a drowned rat. Yes, no you're not. You're gonna stay right here, young man. Okay, let's do this. All right, you ready? Let's rock and roll. Okay, so here we go. Like, I am so out. I know, you're still damp. You got vocals. And with that said, he's out. So that is how I wash Phoenix, Mr. Phoenix. I am a sweat mess. My shirt is soaked. Feel like I got hair all over, but he's clean, and I get to see like a little bit where he's been chewing on his skin, so the baths are good. A lot of people say, no, you shouldn't bathe. You shouldn't bathe the cat. You shouldn't do this. You shouldn't do that. But you know what? Now that I see that he's wet, I see where he's been chewing and on his little back leg, and also, you know, obviously I've seen up here when he's been digging. So next time he goes to the doctor, I have to address that, and I actually may make an appointment just because maybe he needs, like, I don't know, he's been kind of itchy. I don't know, he was itchy in Arizona. He was definitely itchy in Arizona, but he's still itchy. And first I thought, well, maybe it's the food that he's on, because he's on prescription food for his crystals. But he was itchy in Arizona, so he kind of started it. It all started when he was in Arizona. So with that said, that is how I wash Phoenix, and obviously he's gonna continue to be brushed and until he's like more drier. I may even take the blow dryer to him again, but otherwise he's a good boy. He's a good kitty. He doesn't try to fight me. He doesn't try to bite. He doesn't try to scratch. He doesn't cry. Only when I flip him over and he's in an awkward position, then he'll be like, ah. Other than that, he's a good boy. So with that said, I'm gonna sign out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for being a subscriber. Like this video if you do like it. Comment down below, and if you got a kitty cat and you bathe your kitty, let me know how your kitty reacts to that, to the water, because a lot of cats hate water. So comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Just either smash my face in the left-hand corner, and I got a little Phoenix fuzzy on my shoulder, or smash the subscribe button down below. Either one, smash the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on that notifications bell so you know these videos are coming out. Alrighty guys, I love you so very much with all my heart, and I will shoot a little cooking video later. Peace!